the rain crashing down. All around this empty town, we're searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare.
Alright you guys, so today is my self-care day. I'm going to take you through something a little bit different than I usually do, than I haven't done recently. But today is one of my self-care days. I'm taking time away to make sure that I get these things done for myself. So I got a haircut, and yes, she did some little curls in the end. She did a trim at the end, so it brought my curls out, and this is my natural color. So then yeah, I got ready today, just a little bit. I don't really wear makeup, but then I'm going to get my nails done later. I am going to get a massage. I'm just gonna full-blown do a self-care day. So let me sit you guys down right here, because I'm gonna share with you something. Before I get started, I'm gonna talk to you and share with you what we're gonna do. So for some of my self-care things that I like to do personally, is make my own kind of face mask, hair mask, scrubs, all different kinds of things. So it is important to exfoliate your body and get all the dead skin off. So I'm going to show you guys a DIY body scrub that you can use on your body for your next appointment with your mans or your woman. I'm telling you, do this all over your body. You can either use sugar or coffee. You're going to feel like a baby's bottom, and it is so amazing. It's all natural ingredients, so you don't even have to go buy like a $15 one already made. You can make your own. So I'm going to walk you through part of my self-care day. This is just one thing I do before I shave and get all ready and just feel good. It just feels really good to me to do a face mask, a hair mask. Like I said, I just got my hair done, so she did a wash and some curl for me, and so that way I don't need to do anything to my hair. So that was like my hair treat. And then I'm gonna get my nails done. I'm gonna get a massage. It is so important to take care of your guys' self-care. Make sure you take time for you and do you, and make sure you take time to refreshen yourself, make yourself feel beautiful, do things that you feel good. So anyways, let's go in my bathroom, because I'm going to show you a quick and easy DIY scrub, and you guys are going to love it, and you're going to try it out and be like, oh my god, thank you Lord Jesus, my skin is so soft. Okay, so literally this is all you need. Here we have a bowl with a spoon. We have some organic olive oil and some espresso coffee, ground coffee. I don't drink coffee anymore, so this is the only one that I have, and it just happens to be espresso ground coffee. So all you need is however much scrub that you want to use. You could just do, if you want it under your armpits, if you want it on your legs. You're going to do 2 scoops of coffee. I'm going to do this to show you. And then the olive oil is amazing for your skin. So I'm just going to pour in about 2 tablespoons. We're going to do 1 and 2. Okay, then we're going to mix this up. Now look at that paste, you guys. So literally just coffee and olive oil. So now that we have this paste, oh my god, it smells so good. We're going to rub this all over our legs and exfoliate before we shave. Well, hello there, and welcome to my shower. So, here you can see I made my paste, and we're just going to take some of this and scrub it literally all over your legs. You guys are gonna feel so soft after this, and this is what you're gonna do. Now you're gonna rinse it off before you shave. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see this, but literally My legs are so smooth from that scrub. Like, the oil still remains on there, which is really good for your skin. The olive oil gives you that glow, and the coffee scrub exfoliates before you shave. Excuse this brief interruption, but since we're talking about skincare and grooming and making sure we're looking mighty fine, if you guys remember, I shared with you previously the Manscaped lawnmower, and they just launched the lawnmower 4.0, baby. It's a whole new ball game. Okay, so I had to hop back on here and share with you guys this one because Father's Day is also coming up. Don't forget, your dad needs to Manscaped too. Just saying. You can get it for your brother, your uncle. You can get it for your boyfriend, your husband, whoever. But look at this one, is light, so light. Turn it on. It also comes with a little LED light. Worldwide shipping, you guys, and it is so nice. I'm like, I need one of these for me, for women, like, sheesh. So it comes with all the instructions in here. Your charger, you have your little charging kit for your Manscaped tool, and then these brushes here. So you guys, I had to come on here and share with you guys this because you can get 20% off right now with my code BABYLOVE20. So as always, I'll link everything in the description below, but also keep these cute freaking boxer briefs. They're so cute. I mean, I know I'm a female and I'm wearing them, so you men, I'm wearing a size small, so kind of go about that and see where you'd fit in there, but I love them. They're so soft and comfortable. So I believe they have some deals going on with that as well. But like I said, I shared with you guys lawnmower before, and men, let me tell you, women like that shit nice and clean and buzz. So make sure you're taking care of yourself just as much as we are out here taking care of ourselves, because we love it too. So it will be in the description with 20% off for you guys. Don't miss out on this opportunity, because I've actually got questions still to this day, just the other week, about the one I previously shared. So now I'm gonna hit my friend back up and be like, wait, hold up, 4.0 came out, check this bad boy. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Short, quick tutorial on how to get some smooth butter legs, armpits, you know, downstairs, wherever you shave. You guys, it's seriously so important to take care of yourself, so I had to share that with you. But comment below and let me know other tips or things that you would like to know, or if you want more of these DIY things of what I do for my skin, my hair, my nails, my glow, the beauty, you know what I'm saying? Because half the time I'm on here filming, I'm in workout clothes, I'm working out at the gym, I'm cooking, I'm always in a hurry, and I don't always get ready because I'm on here to just share with you guys fitness, health, beauty, fashion, things like that. So, like I said, give this video a thumbs up and comment below if you want more. I love y'all, and I'll see you all soon.